welcome. This is Shabuz from Codeboxr.com. All you know, Joomla 3.9 has been released with some exciting new features. I'll try to check the features, discuss the technical features in this video. So let's start. I have a Joomla 3.9 installed in my workstation at this moment. To make sure which version of Joomla I'm using, let's see. So you see I'm using Joomla 3.9.0. So this is the latest version of Joomla that has been released at last. So let's check the features that's been described in Joomla websites as a release note. So one feature is privacy tool suite by Joomla. There's lots of new features we'll see, and others are about the privacy tools. Except the privacy tools, there are a few other features like actions logs, and a few others like load module by ID, note for article and search features, and display the intro images, etc, etc. We'll see all these, and another is the new CAPTCHA plugin that's Google Invisual reCAPTCHA. So we'll check all these features. So let me show you the admin panel. What are the new features? To check all the features quickly, we can do one thing, like we can search by privacy. I already did it, and we can see some new things. So you can see these are the new things came to Joomla, and the system plugins also. This is a component, and the component can be accessed from where? The privacy tool. And a few other features are like logs. You can see the actions log, action log latest, and user log, user actions log, system user actions. These are the new extensions added to Joomla about the user logs or user actions logs, and the privacy logs also. And there is an admin module, like you can see the latest actions. This admin module is new here. So now at first check about the privacy features. This is the dashboard of the total request count and the status checks, new request, capabilities, and consents. I was testing in the front end. I just installed this Joomla as a fresh Joomla installation. And I was checking about this, like I am a logged in user in the front end. If I go to here, there should be a new option for privacy here. So I have to delete my consents. Let me invalidate, then check in the front end. You can see this, the website privacy policy. By signing up to this website, agreeing to the privacy policy, you will agree to the website is storing your information. I agree. So this is not shown anywhere now. I'll go to home page. Now I'll log out. I will try to register a new account. So the new account creation link is not here. So let me go to the admin panel and enable this. So go to global configuration, users, allow user registration, yes. So I will see don't have an account. Okay, you see the new privacy options is here, agree or disagree with the regular user registration component with Joomla. So this is the new features we're seeing here. So if user click agree or no, actually user cannot disagree to sign up. And okay, so let me log in once again. Let me go to for change password. You see I already gave consent, so this is not showing here. So who is giving consent for privacy is shown here. The admin user already gave consent, and the all the information recorded for the users, the browser information, IP address, etc., etc. And we can request for data from the front end, and for this the privacy has some menus in the front end. Like I created this one, request, create request. So these are the new menus here. You see, so I already created this so that I don't need too much time to describe all these features. So here I have to put my email address and select the request types, and I saw that the requests are here. This is showing pending, so I have to check more options here, and maybe I'll understand more. I'm just trying to understand how this works. We can invalidate close. Okay, so another new features is the user actions log, and we saw that there are lots of plugin is related with this. Is the type actions log, and this others people can create plugins for this, like the privacy has an action logs also, the privacy actions log. All the logs are created here, and Joomla, all the logs are created here, and the logs are stored, but you can delete the logs automatically or rotate it. So you have to check the system log rotate. I think this is by default disabled. I enabled this to check it. So system log rotation, you can select the how many days it will show or store the logs, and maximum logs, number of logs. So that's another feature, and we can delete all our parts. So this is another great new features with Joomla 3.9, that we can see all the logs, and also logs are also shown here. I just deleted all these, so that's why they are not showing. I can create another one. I need to log out, and I will log in again. So this will be recorded. Okay. So refresh this. Yeah, I have logged out. This is recorded. I have logged in. This is recorded. So now, what is happening in your site? Who is logging? Who is restarting, and who is creating? Which articles that can be logged here? Like I am going to an article, and I will show another new features and test that also. There's a new field for note. I wrote here. Here is the note or custom. Sorry. Custom note here. I'll copy this text and save, and now I can search with this, you see, and I edited this article. Yeah, this is also logged. That's great. Yeah, everything is working. Okay, so I have covered the privacy tool options, and also the user logs options. I think I covered it. I covered this notes to your article, and the search features and load module. I think I don't need to explain this load module by ID. This will explain. Okay, this one. So now you can put a shortcode in Joomla, so that you can load n module in article, load module ID, and you have to put the article ID, module ID. So that's the feature. And I will skip others like these new features, because these are too much technical, or you have to check piece by piece. I'll skip this. Maybe I'll create another video about this. We have a new reCAPTCHA about Google Invisible reCAPTCHA. We'll check this. What it is. So I have to go to the plugins, and I'll write CAPTCHA. Yeah. So that's the new reCAPTCHA. That's Google Invisible reCAPTCHA. You have to put the site key and site secret key from Google reCAPTCHA's website and put it here and activate it. So that's all about Joomla 3.9.